So now we're going to talk about home espresso machines. So with your home espresso machine, what you have right here is your portafilter basket. This is your group head, and your steam wand, and the boiler spout. And so what you're going to have to do with your home espresso machine is turn it on, and you're going to have to wait for a little while, maybe about 45 minutes, for all the parts in the espresso machine and the water tank to heat up to the right temperature. You can help the process of heating up the parts of the espresso machine just by flushing some water through the portafilter like that, or flushing some water through the steam wand. And so two things with the water that you have to watch out for. One is that the water tank is not emptying. If the water tank empties, if it runs out of water while you're brewing espresso, then it can cause a lot of damage to your home machine when the air gets into the line. So you want to keep an eye on that. And also your water temperature. 200 degrees is the standard water temperature that you want your water to be at to brew espresso. So how I'm going to test that is I have this little thermometer here that goes up to 220 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to flow some water through my portafilter. I'm going to stick the thermometer in the little spout of the portafilter and see where on the thermometer it stabilizes. And wherever it stabilizes is going to be the temperature of the water inside the machine. Alrighty, so water inside here is stabilizing right at about 200 degrees, which is great. That's exactly where I want it. If your home machine is either not getting to 200 degrees or not stabilizing at 200 degrees, then you refer to your home owner's manual to see how to adjust that and get it to the right temperature.